Hi, welcome. I'm Sherry Dias-Malott with Glam Lashes Galore, and I'm the leading authority for teaching women how to use makeup with confidence, no matter what season of life they're in. And I want to show you, if you have short, pale, thin eyelashes like I have, this tip may help you so much. Give the illusion of having beautiful, lush, maybe even curled lashes. So if you aren't already following me on social media, you can find me on Facebook or on Instagram at Glam Lashes Galore. And you can always subscribe to my channel here, and that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you hold on just a minute, I'll start the tutorial. What I've done is I've done all of my makeup except for my lashes. Now, with one caveat, because I did put an eyelash primer. Well, first of all, I did a little bit of curling. I don't curl my lashes very often because I feel like when I was younger, I damaged my lashes. I broke quite a few. I overused this, and I don't really need it all the time, right? But today I didn't put on any eyeliner. I usually love eyeliner. I didn't put any on today because I want you to be able to see my lashes with what I'm going to show you. So I did do a little bit of curling, pumping on my lashes on both sides. Some people like to press and hold, and then they'll move it up to the end of the lashes, and some people just like to sort of pulse for 10 seconds. Whatever works for you. I've done it a multitude of ways. There's no right or wrong way. It's just whatever works for you, right? So I have put, my fancy pen, I have put eyelash primer all along my top set of lashes here. And if you can see, give me a thumbs up or a heart if you can see the white lashes. Now, some primers are clear, some are white. It doesn't matter to me. At first I thought white, ooh, is that gonna show through my mascara? I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, it works. I cover it up. You'll never see it. But I have some on this eye, and these are just my bare lashes. I have nothing on these lashes at all. They are just completely bare and puny and thin, and what God gave me, it's all good, right? I just have to learn how to make them look a way that makes me happy. It's the same thing with our hair, right? We're born with hair, but like today it's doing funky stuff. That's all right. My house is really dry and really staticky right now, so my hair is just absorbing all of that dryness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you first on the eye with no primer. I'm going to do a little bit of mascara and show you the difference just so you can see, because I want you to see side by side what it looks like. Now, the great thing about black, I only use black mascara, is that it helps the whites of my eyes look brighter. You can use so many different colors. There have been trends in the market to go with different colors. There's also browns, there's dark browns. I just find that black really makes my lashes look great, and I like the way it makes the whites of my eyes look, okay? All right, so there's one eye with just mascara on it, nothing else, but I'm gonna show you the side with primer. Now, I did let it dry while I was doing some other errands this morning, but it is going to give me a length that is much, you can probably already see that it is giving me a length much longer than my own lashes really are. Now, sometimes you can do this with multiple coats of a mascara. Sometimes you can do this also with the mascaras that have fibers in them. I do love those also. But you can see already the difference from this eye over to this eye. And I'm just barely coating this. My lashes are looking thicker. My lashes are looking more full. I didn't do anything to the bottom lash line because I wanted you to just, I didn't want to take away the focus from my top lashes. I've never tried primer on my bottom lashes because I really like the look. For me personally, I follow less is more for the bottom. Especially as I get older, I like less on my lower lash line. So you can see already, it's giving me the look that I have double the lashes that I really have. Both from the base, but also with the length. It almost looks like I have a very thin false lash attached to my top lid. It's really amazing how it can give the look of having double the lashes just with a little coat of primer ahead of time. And of course, if you have a mascara that's buildable, you can let it dry for a minute or two and then go back and put some more on the tips if you want. See, since my hair doesn't hold a curl and my lashes don't usually hold a curl, so I need a lot of help. So I will wait a minute or two and I'll help dry them a little bit. And then I can go back in. I don't have to start at the base. I can go back into the middle or to the top and just keep extending them and making them look longer. Got a little bit down there, but that's all right. So you can see just from, take my brush, just from this side here using, I'm looking in my mirror because it shocks me too. Every time I do this, I'm like, wow. Usually I do them at the same time so I don't see the split screen, you know, of one and then the other. But it's a huge difference of adding a primer beforehand. Do I do this all the time? Nope, I don't. I'm like everyone else that sometimes I just want something to be quick and easy and fast. It doesn't add a lot to the makeup routine. I can brush it on and let it dry for a minute or two and brush out my hair or brush my teeth. And by that time when I'm done, I can go back and it's dry and now I can apply a mascara. But it is amazing how it seems to fill in. I think what it does, my view here, Sherry's view, I think what it does is that it grabs any tiny lashes that maybe are in the process of growing out or replacing, or, you know, lashes have a whole lash cycle. I think what the primer does is it coats everything better. And therefore, it gives me more of a complete, a more full lash line total in all, as opposed to just grabbing with mascara. Sometimes a mascara wand, depending on what kind of mascara you use, sometimes a mascara wand won't grab all your lashes. You know, it may just grab 75% of them or whatever. And that's why I say one great tip is that if you find a mascara brush that you love, you can wash it off and save it for, you may not love the mascara, but you may really like the wand. And the reason there are so many mascaras is because they do different things, right? Some will plump, some will thicken, some will lengthen, some will curl, they say. They do so many different things. You can use different wands with different mascaras if there's a certain kind that you like. My teenage daughter taught me that. I'm never too old to keep learning a new trick. So there's something to think about, but not all mascara wands will catch all of those lashes the same way, and so it's great to have other tricks or other mascaras or a lash primer that will do it ahead of time, that will do it for you. But you can see what a difference, because it does even outline my eye, the top of my eyelid, differently, having all of those lashes done. I don't know if you can see any better if I look up with both eyes or if I look down. But when you look straight ahead, like I can see in my mirror here, it's a much fuller lash line on this eye than I have on this eye with just a coat of mascara. And maybe multiple coats if I kept sitting here for 20 minutes, which I'm not gonna do. But if I sat here for another 20 minutes and was doing multiple coats with the same mascara, could I get to this look? Maybe. That's something worth trying also. But like I say, makeup is not a one size fits all. It's whatever works for you. My sister and I are 15 months apart, and we could not be more different. She has 4 times the lashes that I have, and they are long and they are full and they are curly, and they hit her sunglasses when she puts them on. Mine don't. I mean, I'm embarrassed to go out to have anybody see me without any mascara because I need help. Mine are so tiny. The eyelash fairy did not come to my crib when I was born, and instead went to my sister's and gave her sparkling eyelashes that are gorgeous. But this is a tip that I can just tell my sister, hey, I'm not jealous of your eyelashes anymore. I've got my own, right? It's an easy way also, if you don't like the feeling of, which I don't like the feeling of false lashes. I don't like the feeling of glue on the top of my eyelid. It all just makes me a little cringy. I don't like the pulling it off. None of it. I don't like the heaviness. It just bothers me so much. And so this is a great way to feel like I still have a decent look with a lot of lashes in an easier way and easier to remove. Now here's the thing, if you do put a lot of mascara on your lashes, a lot of primer, any of that kind of stuff, you do want to make sure and remove it all before you go to sleep, because tomorrow, if your mascara is not staying, if it's flaking or rubbing underneath your eyes or something, it may be because it's not adhered to your lash, because it didn't get a really good removal process the day or the night before. If you are putting new mascara on the next day on little bits and pieces of the old mascara that didn't come off yesterday, it's not a good seal. It's not good contact, and it's just not going to give you a good result. So that's my mascara tip of the day. All right, what do you think? This eye right here has the lash primer before the mascara, and you can see my lashes are just really, they look thick, they look more well coated. It looks like I have double the lashes, to be honest. And this is the lash line. This is the eye that just had some mascara on it and nothing else. It's a great tip for improving your own natural lashes, for making them look bigger, making them look better, helping them frame your eyes, right? Usually I have eyeliner on, but I really wanted you to see the difference here. So I think this is a great tip for those of us who maybe don't have abundant lashes. That would be me. If you love makeup tutorials, if you would love to be notified whenever I upload a new video here, please make sure and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to follow me on social media, you can find me on Facebook at Glam Lashes Galore, and you can also find me on Instagram at Glam Lashes Galore. Make it a good day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.